Hi everybody, it's Dee Slater from Create with Dee for Splitcoaststampers, and today I have a super fast and easy project that utilizes 6x6 designer paper and a little cardstock base. Let's get started making this cute treat holder. It's a treat holder or a gift bag if you have a small gift, but let me share with you how it goes together. The card base is a 2.5 by 3 inch piece of cardstock, and here it's basic black, and it's cut and it's scored at 3/4 inches on all four sides. And then in the corners we want to add a little tear and tape or adhesive. So let's go ahead and put the little box bottom together. Now for the box bottom, nobody's really going to see it, and so normally you might taper the edges, but it's not really necessary on this particular project. And so we just want to, I put the tabs on the outside. Finger pressing them down as we go along. And we get a little box bottom like that. Next, on your designer paper, whatever side of your pattern that you want to be on the top needs to go down. I'm going to use this stripe image this time, and I think I want it to go this direction. So I'm going to put it down like this. And I'm using snail adhesive at this point, but you could use whatever adhesive. You could use tear and tape again if you'd like. And I'm making an L along the bottom and along one side. Okay, the side that has the adhesive is going to be the last side as we start to roll up. So again, this is the box bottom, and I'm going to have this hanging off of the edge, maybe about 1/2 inch, and line it up with the edge. From there, I'm simply going to start to roll it. So just making sure that that's rolling along the edge. And then when it gets on the third side, I tend to pick it up and then bring it around. And then you just finger press the side that has adhesive on up. And that's it. And I kind of bounce this a little bit, and it makes the top of it slightly wider. But that's all there is to the treat bag. Now let's add some finishing touches to it. What I like to do is get a punch that has a corner rounder on it, and I'm going to kind of press these down. I think it just kind of gives a little finishing touch. I'm going to put that in and punch, and it just gives a nice round corner. And do the other side. And if you get this little overhang like what I have here, it's no big deal. Just take your paper snips and even that up. Want to make sure that we take our bone folder and get nice contact in there, especially along the seams. So I'm getting that inside and like, that. So now it's nice and secure. And you can put whatever little treat you want. Here I found some chocolate Santas. Put that in there. And if you want, you can take a stapler and staple this together. That's what I like to do. This is a mini stapler, but any stapler would work. And secure that top. As with any project, the fun is in the decorating, and that's what we have left here to do. So today I've got the curly ribbon, real red curly ribbon, and I'm just going to tie a bow. And with the glue dot, go ahead and put that on the back and use that to cover up the staple. And then you can trim down the tails if you like. So I've used some of the images, the stamp set images from the Snowman Season bundle. It's the stamp set and the punch, and made these cute little embellishments to put on it. And so now we have an adorable little treat holder, and it just couldn't be any easier to put together. So I hope that you like this treat holder and that you give it a try. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.